Let's look at solving this absolute value equation. If the absolute value of some quantity is supposed to equal 11, then we know that this quantity can only be one of two things. It's either positive 11 or it's negative 11. And that gives us a technique for solving absolute value equations. The quantity here, 3x minus 1, is either equal to 11 or 3x minus 1 would have to be equal to negative 11. 11 and negative 11 are the only quantities whose absolute value is equal to 11. And that produces two equations we can solve to find the two solutions for x. And we can solve them now without having to deal with the absolute value. So here I would what? Add 1 to both sides to solve this linear equation. I'd have 3x equals 12. And then dividing both sides by 3, I'd have x equals 4. Here I would add 1 to both sides, which would give me 3x equals negative 10. Negative 11 plus 1 will be negative 10. And then dividing both sides by 3, I have x equals negative 10 thirds. So x could be either of those values, either 4 or negative 10 thirds, and it would produce a quantity whose absolute value is 11. If x was 4, 3 times 4 is 12, 12 minus 1 is 11. Absolute value of 11 is 11. If x was negative 10 thirds, 3 times negative 10 thirds, the 3's are going to cancel, giving me negative 10. Negative 10 minus 1 is negative 11. Absolute value of negative 11 is 11. We've found the two solutions to that absolute value equation.